We didn't wake up one morning and say, let's build a call tracking tool. A few years ago, we had invested in a medical testing business that generated 100% of its leads online, but took 100% of its calls that generated sales. And so when we'd hit a point where, as a small business and we're spending over $150,000 a month on AdWords, we really wanted to know which clicks generated the best and most profitable calls. We looked at the market, we couldn't find anything that worked for us. We tried one, a pretty expensive one that was about $4,000 or $5,000 a month. And when that didn't work, we stepped back, and because we knew digital marketing, went to a whiteboard and we solved the problem for ourselves. One of the main things that makes us different is, and we kind of joke about it, it's kind of in our name, we're not called call tracker, right? Calls are a piece of what we do, but it's not the only thing we care about. When we looked at the market, we saw the other products in play really wanted to know, did a call occur? And from a direct marketing standpoint, that's a response. That's good, but that's not revenue. That doesn't drive ROI. We were really revenue focused. And the other piece was we wanted to make sure that we didn't force anybody to change their behavior. So in our world, we work best when nobody knows we're there. A customer goes to a website, they call a phone number. A sales agent takes a call and does their work in their CRM. And then after that, we just take all the data and we connect the dots. We make it seamless, automatic, and simply superior to what's out there.
We're completely transparent, so we built our entire platform in a way that allows no change of behavior on the part of the customer or on the part of the sales agent or the salesperson who's taking the phone call and making the sale. So we interact natively with all of the various platforms, both the ad platforms and the CRM, so that they all talk to each other independently and natively, so that there's no change of behavior. But then the other thing that makes us different is we offer a comprehensive enterprise-grade feature set, but we do that at a starting price of $39 a month. So we really tailored our platform to be available for businesses of all sizes.
But maybe I stole this from Woody Guthrie.
The two biggest things I'd like to get out of this conference are one, potential leads from a revenue standpoint. I'm talking to a lot of folks in the agency space and also folks who are doing other aspects of tracking of the customer journey who could be potential good partners for us to work with and combine our data sets to create a richer view and a more comprehensive view of what that customer journey looks like in the online to offline world. But then also just getting some exposure, really introducing Traaqr to the world.
Really fun coming to a conference like this today in our experience. We've done other large tech shows. I mean, years ago I pitched on the demo stage for another startup that we had. And back then I couldn't tell you, other than being there. Today what we're looking to get is we get value in our platform when we have partnerships. So we want to talk to technology companies that can complement us and that we can help. We do want to talk to potential investors even though we're not raising now. We want to have those relationships and strategics for the future. And we want to start getting the word out. So this has been a great opportunity for us to connect with the media and to start getting a little more awareness for a startup just in the Midwest in St. Louis.